Okay guys, welcome back. We are going to put this file that we found is see if we find something in the path or not. Okay, let's print directory path and see what we get. It's a path. Let's see os.list directory path and what we get. And this is something interesting. Let's see if we can get the numbers from it. Okay, we got something. 1. Why it's not in the some kind, how I say. Okay, let's create a list for now. For x in range. What range we have? We have 124. For x in range 124. It has 0. I know what it say. It has 0. Okay. Let me create a list here, and it's empty. Is equal to a, and then list dot append a. Now run the list. Okay, I find the problem. We put x here and then run the list. 100 to 109, 10, 102 to 123. Let's get the length of the list. It's 124. It's right, the code is right and doing perfectly. We create a def and what name it? Get the folder there, get the inside folder item names. Okay, what it get? It just get one thing. We will give it to it. Let me just make this code right. That's right. Return list. Okay, we need directory path. We put it here. Okay, it gets just directory path and return list. Let's run it. Let's use the function and see if it is right. Print. Let me copy this directory path and put it here and then run it. Why it's printing them? Oh, sorry, because we didn't storage them. Let's storage them in the file, not the file names. File names, and we storage them perfectly. Now we're gonna use them to create a data set in the best way possible. For now, let's just delete this line and put here the function that give us the name of the files in a folder. That's right. Okay guys, it is the end of this lesson. We are going to put all the things together in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and